Guys, welcome to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through a step-by-step on how to factory reset your Motorola G7 Play from Metro PCS or Metro by T-Mobile. It's a very easy way to factory reset this device. You'll need to make sure the phone is turned off, then you want to press the power and the volume down key at the same time. Press and hold until this screen comes up. So what you'll need to do, you want to use the volume down key to navigate. Press a couple times until you get to recovery mode. Press the power key. It will restart, then it will take you to a no command screen with the Android logo on it. What you'll need to do here, you want to press the power key, then press the volume up. When this screen comes up, you want to navigate down to wipe factory reset the device, then you want to press the power key. Scroll down to yes, power key again, then you want to use the last option on the bottom, press the power key once more. Once you do this, it will wipe and format the device. Then you want to restart the device by pressing the power key. This is it, guys, and the phone will start deleting and formatting. It's going to go back to factory settings. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching.